Jai Hind! We are the students of Shambhodaya Global School presenting you a multimedia presentation on our idol, the Paramveer Chakra Gallantry Award winner, Captain Vikram Batra. I am Adya.
I am Ridhima.
I am Pari. And we present you the multimedia presentation.
India has been blessed with countless heroes, but there are few whose courage shines brighter than the mountains they defended. Among them stands a name that inspires every Indian heart, Captain Vikram Batra, remembered forever as the Sher Shah of Kargil. His journey is not just the story of the soldier, but the tale of a young man who lived with purpose, fought with passion and sacrificed everything for his motherland. Today, through this multimedia presentation, we bring before you the extraordinary life and timeless legacy of a warrior who showed us what it truly means to live for the nation.
Born on 9 September 1974 in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh, Vikram Batra grew up with dreams bigger than himself. From a young age, he displayed discipline, determination, and leadership qualities. After completing his education, he joined the Indian Military Academy and was commissioned into the 13th Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. In the summer of 1999, when our nation faced the Kargil War, Captain Vikram Batra rose to the call of duty, leading from the front. He and his men recaptured Point 5140, rising the tricolor high. With his fearless spirit, he coined the historic slogan, "Ye Dil Mange More," a cry of victory that still echoes in every Indian heart. But destiny had a greater test. In the Battle of Point 4875, he fought valiantly. To save a fellow soldier, at the age of just 24, he laid down his life, immortalizing himself as a legend.
Quoting from the Kargil front, the world witnessed the rise of Sher Shah. Soldiers recall how he charged ahead under heavy fire, motivating his men with unshakable courage. His leadership ensured victory, but it came at the cost of a supreme sacrifice. On 7th July 1999, Vikram Batra achieved martyrdom, leaving behind a story that inspires generations. The nation saluted him with the highest wartime gallantry award, the Paramveer Chakra. Even today, every soldier, every student, every Indian looks up to him as a symbol of bravery and patriotism.
Gridhari Lal Batra, father of late Captain Vikram Batra, receiving the Paramveer Chakra for the sacrifice.
Captain Vikram Batra's life teaches us that true courage is not the absence of fear, but the determination to rise above it. His value of discipline and sacrifice must guide in our own lives. He once said, "Either I will come back with hosting the tricolor or I will come back with repeated in it. But I will return for sure." And indeed he returned, not in body, but as an immortal hero in the soul of India. Today, as we salute his memory, let us pledge to live with the same spirit of dedication and love for our country.
Jai Hind!